Have you ever found yourself worrying about hidden issues when you're on the verge of buying a home? A lot of people are under the impression that a simple mortgage valuation paints the full picture. But in reality, that just scratches the surface. There could be secrets that could impact the success of your purchase that need a more in-depth approach to unearth them. That's where the Yorkshire Surveyor can help. We're more than just surveyors. We look deeply into your potential property, discovering the hidden stories brick by brick. Our detailed surveys are crafted to unveil every facet of a property, ensuring nothing remains in the shadows. And our expertise isn't fleeting. It's built on over 200 years of combined experience. We've borne witness to countless homes, understanding their foundations, their dreams, and occasionally, their hidden woes. The beauty of the Yorkshire Surveyor lies in our simplicity and approachability. One call, and you're immediately connected to an expert, ready to guide you. No runarounds, no extended wait times. For those special historical listed buildings, our seasoned specialists provide the nuanced expertise required. Whether it's matrimonial valuations, probate insights, or inheritance tax valuations, our broad spectrum of services ensures you're never left wanting. And unlike the remote, inaccessible corporate surveyors, we pride ourselves on our independence and accessibility. With us, the journey doesn't conclude after the survey. We remain by your side, extending free advice whenever you seek it. So when you are about to make one of the biggest investments of your life, why settle for the surface story? Trust in deep-rooted expertise. Trust in personalised care. Trust in the Yorkshire Surveyor, because every home has an intricate story. And with us, you're guaranteed to know every part of the property's history. After all, 50,000 customers can't be wrong. To get the right survey for your home, call us today on 01904 468 881.